you would be addressed by the way you dress. Yes, mejitum. Se wahofa mano. Se die sitienti no so obi be kasa ho a ebema de dikan no de dibuo e de dikan. But hey, I'm telling you this. We need no se wo tete wo tete wo kama. Edi e wo se first of all dibuo kakara e ba be bata ho. Respect opens conversation. Na no pa ma memfa we ntwato na yensi form. Na wahu se enyami na bi bomi trimu akasa de we. Be 1 Peter chapter 2 verse number 17. 1 Peter chapter 2 verse number 17. Same tia for mo benya na kan be project kran so ama me ana me kan wo ha no na mahwefo ni matifo so follow. 1 Peter chapter 2 verse number 17. This is what the verse says. Or say, instruct believers to show respect and honor to all people. T. Instruct believers to show respect and honor to all people. Wanya selective. Wanya handpick say we mu na wo se ubu mu. Oso obi bia. Nti wo ya dwuma mu kandini, wo ya dwuma mu peni, wo ya dien say ubu workers. Put to respect when you are talking to them. And found when they said you sit here, but obani usu ubuna. Abema nipa na yina kuma ni na jinimu. To express himself or herself well for you to understand nipa no yi. Ti o join the screen now be hu. O say muni nipa nyina ni. Monno anuanom munsuro nyankopon. Muni ohinini. Respect everyone and love your Christian brothers and sisters. Fear God and respect the king. So if you respect people, it means you fear God. And my memfa we ntwato na fe yensi form. Respect. Emma etoda obi hunu se wonim nkofo e relate e beka se wo musuro nya se suro no musuro. E bu a wo bu ne tia wo te wase. Sometimes you the fear the to ye subordinate so enti ye koduru ba bia ye fi se bu no mu bu yen da bi nya bu no mu bu yen obi betumi asuro wo nsu no omu osuro wo se wo wano kasa nya fe wano kasa nya de osuro wo se wo de like wo munipa wo mfa nipa nya hwe nti no asem a wo ka no otie no akotu ho anamon not necessarily say obu nti no okoye so but I say esuro bia be hye ne mu nti ne ho pere no afiri won chen akoye de o kaso won konkoye no tis what be adwuma wo store na asefo a mu bebre mo kasa mo adwuma e fo ho time as if say wono mu nyenipa forgetting said these people are the people who are going to help you what me build a company ni. My phones here. I wish I have enough time to explain a lot of things to you this morning. But my phones here. Thank you very much for giving me your ears this morning. If you may watch purposeful, life-driven message, I will honor me. Dinde Kwame Agyarko and send bebre. I will why you be doing and come. I will kasafidi so ukopimo Uganda. One more election no so el koso. But you mo be any actually. That is why I made a show as because they are our African neighboring country. BBC one and see no yene bisia. Binum be dwane aba ha. Dwane ba ebe kan ho ha so pressure de be ba kan economy no and your unemployment no and other social vices de be brain no so when you say ade a emwa. And you need the actually ye election no go so koso Menyantienra and ajo as late as 11 muwa na womo ye compilation ne sort no lights out e koso baby na asefo e bi mo so so mo phones e di juma na asefo that kind of you know these are African leaders but I'm not hearing or seeing any release from AU African Union womo kasa dia tia sansemi mi hu bi. But what you mabibimba sorry that se cool ni yeni, then you will see them so more sorry. And you're fine. Timino young vampire one tower mochi. Now one more in elected the will of the people. Said the Ghana, the course so yes, Sumbiano. Woman so elected the will of the people ɛwɔ hɔ nom. A lot of things na ACC ɛwɔ Uganda hɔ nom a no kwasɛm ni ɛnyɛ fɛ ɛnyɛ ear pleasing sɛ ɛbɛkɔ so but ɛkɔ so wɔ hɔ nti yɛmfa mpaebɔ ɛmfa ntaa wɔ mo akyi sɛ ɛnneɛma bɛkɔ dini ɛwɔ hɔ nom. Yɛba fie nso a yɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ mame mobɔ so nkyerɛw na yɛkɔba na afei yɛba abɛtoa so yɛbɛdi nkɔmmɔ. President of the Republic ɛkɔ nominate ɛyɛ nipakuo bi a wɔn ɛyɛ Presidential Advisory Economic Group. Yes, men can say Presidential Advisory Group on Economy. You trying to friend page. About screen this way, and that's no. You trying to friend page. Presidential Advisory Group on Economy. Yeah, woman be two president no efo actually no kwanya economy na wasi ya de faso na eniema koye enioma totoye enioma siye. Less than no ho edino ho me no beba be wram wo ho. Na fe ye di ho nkomo ye koba ye ba be di ni nyina ho nkomo ne ehu na fe yakwa ahoma so ya pe financial expert for ahodo ne enioma di nkomo economists ne ahwe say this committee these likes of characters are president alist you mo say wo mo ameboa na entuni for economy no ho no. Is it the right way? Because we've had economic management team ahodo a yati edi ahodo a kire say we mu de and that's we mbat ankosiaga ya nya na said ye peno no. The economy is enya twist 10 all of a sudden yebeba na yeba bedi and also ehon komo ewo eye ehonum t-shirt and so efa emame na woni mame bia ye friend no said nam tamakru maslok penino said nam tamaklu ye dinasem wie ye wo ye memu ha ya na afi akase ye de no bekọ akọhye afiase otu kwan free krom akopie mu abrochi ne nasefo letter a free ye Ghana ye embassy a wo USA a Victor ye Smith ne nsashas ye say ani o mate say ya detain Sadenam tamaklo ho yakoba eno so ho nkomo ye beba bedi na ya ginchemu so e ama. We have a lot to talk about this morning. Ave de to aso biem anopa yi nso ye ne obedi nkomo ye de obeba local ye de obeba fidie mo ha na fe ye di nkomo obepie mo ewo ye region mo ha Greater Kumasi city ni mu a me sure say mo semwa like yeah, more experience what we me experience it say anopa yi kopem na wi yi say wo faka akoba bia wo so de kwa fair no do ye 4 cities 50 pesos e be 4 cities e be 5 cities e be 6 cities 50 pesos na asefo obetua ne kama e de akọ. But then everybody drew a numera open the same car ni bia bafie no obehun say lorry fair no na yetum ni apegyam near the call 10 cities, near the call 15 cities. Would you mean ya a drivers nibi ni mates nibi? No, a cultural says so wouldn't you see form? I say, a bonnet say, Uko Krum say, Uko Dija, Uko Diwu maybe. Na Adia Sana Ubefi. I say a bonnet so I said, one crown a sra was a black room. It is a sad time, no. Ufri fie, era o coronabi a offer 20 cities. Because the old kwakwa no shut down news sika into wakwakwa ya na bia aka wo lorry say exact lorry say 4 cities 50 pesos 5 cities and not 6 cities 50 pesos I would be bafia se sa sika nanka san ne kutawa. It means to say woni pa no obeka krum se nyame amamu ma odumfo bi nso amam amana nko ka driver bi akoma asa obeda krum obeka krum because that time no ya pay price no they are called 10 cities in the 15 cities. This morning we want to talk about that. We want to talk about it. We want to discuss that, and we will get the attention of the mayor, Kumasi Mayor Zuba, our honum. And now we got the attention of the regional minister, or Chirimuse, the mayor Ade Akye Abia, Yebehun Sisaye, our honum. Say we are just open. And now so my infant so me yon so ye din komo me chatting kakra ya positive say no pa betumi anya no na din komo na fe ya hwe eniema series tie e wo eye ehonum ti ma me fe no ntwe 59 past 6 na fe yenkofa goodie mo ensem emra ye ba We have a lot to talk about this morning. Now I join you and I feel you didn't come over honum. Ember power about BPM or with you man. I feel you the sports no. Ade toss me the Kwame Agyarko your club as to see how. We have a lot to talk about this morning. Now I join you and I feel you didn't come over honum. Ember power.